today I'm going to teach or demonstrate how to use pandas. So first, let's open the Anaconda Navigator and just choose the Jupyter Notebook. Wait lang po, naglo-loading lang. So here I have already example, so I just gonna explain how to use it. So today, so this is our example for today. Just a simple example to create a data frame from a dictionary. So here is the import pandas as PD. Then we have to create a data frame from a dictionary. So we have a data, the name, age, and city. So we just choose a random name, just choose also a random city and also the age. So we have Alice, Bob, and Charlie, David. So their age is 25, 30, 35, 40. And they live in New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Houston. So data frame is equal to PD data frame close and open parenthesis data. So here let's start with the display the data frame. So input print initial data frame. So the last is input print DF. So add a new column. DF salary, our salary is 50,000, 60,000, 55,000, and 70,000. So filter rows where age is greater than 30. Filter DF is equal to DF age is greater than 30. So input print double open and close parenthesis, double string backslash and filtered data frame open and close parenthesis age is greater than 30. So input print filtered underscores DF. And last is calculate the average salary. Average salary is equal to DF double string salary dot mean. So input print close on open parenthesis F double string backslash and average salary double dot then sign dollar sign average underscore salary dot 2F. So uh, here's is we gonna run this pandas. We choose the example, so let's run. So here is the output of our program. So here is the initial data frame and filtered data frame and the average salary. So here is the initial data frame where is this data, the name, age, and city. Naka na sila, naka hanay-hanay na. Then the second is the filtered here dito sa age greater than 30. So ayan 35 at 40. Yun lang yung age kasi yung dalawa is 30 and 25 na siya pababa. So dapat ang age is 30 ang age is greater than 30. So 35 and 40 which is Shirley and David were from Chicago and Houston. Then their salary is 55,000 and 70,000. So their average salary, yung sa pinakahuli na, yung kinakalculate na yung average salary is $58,750. So yun yung pinaka salary nila sa buong taon, I guess. And so that's the first example. So I have also the second example. I already type na kasi mabagal ako mag-type. Then here, so sa second example ko is my matplotlib pyplot as PLT. So parang naging dalawa yung libraries ko dito kasi may matplotlib. So, import pandas as pd, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So, here we just sample data for demonstration. You can save this as a CSV and read it. Pwede daw siyang i-save as a file ng CSV or baka pang datasets din. Diba? So, our data is department, employee, at salary. So, ang department is HR, IT, HR, Finance, IT, Finance, HR, IT. Ang employee is parang example lang din kanina pero dadagdagan nilang. Alice, Bob, Shirley, Diana, Eve, Frank, Grace, and Hank. So, yung salary nila is 60,000, 80,000, 50,000, 90,000, 85,000, 70,000, 62,000, and 87,000. So, next is, we need to create a data frame. So, parang kanina lang din inulit, diba? df is equal to pd.data frame. Data, on display the original data frame, print original data frame, tapos input, print, df. So, ayun, lalabas yun mamaya pag niranan natin. Hindi ko na lang inisa-isa, or pwede natin isa-isahin. Pero nakakapagod. Group the data by department and calculate the average salary. So, magkakakalculate ulit tayo ng average salary. Average underscore salary is equal to df.group by department. Salary at that name. So, sa average salary na to, ang iaan natin ay yung department and salary. Pagsasamaan, per department siya by group. So, yung HR is pagsasamahin, yung IT, yung finance. Ganon. Then, input, print, average, underscore salary. Visualize the average salary by department. So, by department na siya. So, average underscore salary, plot kind is called bar, color, sky blue, figure size is 8 and 5. So, makikita natin kung yung bar mamaya, may bar to pagka naran natin. So, bar graph, ganon. So, add titles and labels. So, title, average salary by department, font size, mga font size sa para malaki or makikita. 12 sa 16 sa department, and average salary by department, font size is 16, the department is plt.xlabel, department is font size is 12, the plt while label, average salary font size is 12. plt x text rotation is 0. Hindi na magro-rotation. So, last, show the plot. So, plt.type underscores layout, then plt.show. Close, and I open and close parenthesis. So, nasabi ko na lahat kung paano gawin. So, i-run na lang natin. Try na natin i-run. So, ito, lumabas na yung output ng ating program. So, the original data frame. So, ito yung dito to create a data frame na original data frame. So, dito sa display, the original data frame. So, ayan, nagkasunod-sunod siya the department, the employee, and the salary. Then, the average dito, the average salary by department. Yung ito, by department, ay na ito. The finance is 80,000. Then, the HR, and then also the IT. So, here is the salary, department type, and float. So, this is the bar graph. So, dito na tayo sa kind of bar. Then, yung color is sky blue. Tama naman ang lumabas, sky blue. Yung fig size is 8 to 5. Parang, oo. Tama naman din yung size. So, ayan. Sakto ang lumabas na. So, that's all. Thank you.